In this video, I'm going to open up a brand new Enigma Express as it would arrive at your front door and walk you through your initial unboxing experience. So before you ever even get this in the mail, you should have received a couple of different emails. You should have some tracking information in your email, but you should have also gotten an email with product instructions as well as concealment-oriented instructions. So if you didn't get those emails, definitely go check your spam folder. Upon opening up your package, one of the first things that you'll see is a Start Here card. This is going to go over some Enigma safety stuff and as well as concealment and product instructions in general. So upon taking your new Enigma Express out of the packaging, it's going to come fully assembled. Everything is put together for you and you can pretty much just roll with it. There is a quick start guide that you'll find again through that QR code that will kind of walk you through initially putting on your Express and adjusting the leg leash. It'll explain things like you're probably going to have some extra belt material and extra leg leash material, and after adjusting them to exactly where you want them to be, you'll eventually probably want to cut and burn this material so that you don't have a bunch of excess. However, it is highly recommended to make sure that you're confident in the kind of sizing and adjustments that you've selected before you do any permanent cuts. So a couple of things about the Express. The Express comes with this fidlock buckle that is magnetic, and when you pull this little tab here towards the faceplate, it will break loose. But once it's engaged, there's no danger of disengaging it with any kind of directional pull. You have to physically grab the tab and pull it towards the faceplate. So that's really nice for a quick on and off. However, some people do prefer to use a reduced size buckle. I'm one of those people. I have a reduced size buckle kit on my personal Enigma, and that does not have quite the same quick release, but it is just a slightly smaller profile. One of the things to note though about the Express is that this screw right here is nylocked on there, so it is a bit of a challenge to get it off. We do have a video that specifically will walk you through getting this screw off so that you can either move your buckle from one side to the other side if you find that that's more comfortable, or you can switch it out for a reduced size buckle. The Enigma Express comes with the skeleton holster, and this is actually one of my personal favorite holsters. I really like it because it's just kind of everything that I want in a holster and without any of the additional things that I don't necessarily need in a holster. For example, I personally don't need a built-in holster wedge like what comes on the Pro holster. So this is just a smooth surface here. There's no additional built-in wedge. However, it is this nice smooth surface so that you can add a wedge afterwards if you choose that you need a wedge. The other thing I really like about it is the level of retention that it has. It has a fixed retention, so you aren't going to be able to adjust it for yourself. However, I really like that it is a fixed retention because it allows me to crank down on these screws, which with the Express, it comes already assembled and already tightened here. But that's one of the benefits of a fixed retention holster, is that these screws can be tightened down without ever changing the amount of retention that you have on your gun. So your skeleton comes with a really nice fixed retention level. This particular Express comes with the smaller of the mod wing inserts, but depending on what gun you chose, it may or may not have come with a larger wing insert, and that's the one thing that's still left in this bag, is the larger wing insert. So it's going to come with the larger wing insert, a sweet little Enigma sticker, and if you're finding that you are not getting enough grip tuck, then you might want to switch out your smaller wing insert for the larger wing insert. And the wings that come with your Enigma Express are actually optimized specifically for the Enigma Express. They have a they have an angled profile to them, which interacts nicely with the faceplate and reduces any kind of standoff between the wing and the faceplate. And that's pretty much it when it comes to unboxing your Enigma Express. You have everything you need here through the QR code. Your Enigma Express is going to come to you fully assembled, so all you have to do is adjust it to size and you can pretty much get started. We are going to be doing more videos like this, so keep an eye out for products that you've been interested in.